Now it's the time to turn the switch on. Oh, it didn't work. Why? One of the most mysterious forms of energy is electricity. For many centuries, people have lived without electricity, but it's essential to our life right now. Without electricity, we can't power all our lights, heaters, and pumping systems. It's needed in our houses for many appliances and is crucial for powering hospitals, schools, and factories. Even the internet and all our fun devices wouldn't work without it. Electricity can be found in nature like in lightning. But what is it? Electricity is a form of energy just like light. It's basically the flow of electrons. But how can we get it and how can it be used safely? Let's explore this game together. For electricity to flow, we first need an energy source, which in our case is a battery. This battery provides us with electricity. Let's connect this battery to power a light bulb. We need a switch, which is used to turn the light on and off. And of course, we need wires to connect all these parts together. Let's connect the battery to the switch and then to the light bulb. Now it's the time to turn the switch on. Oh, it didn't work. Why? For us to use electricity, we need to have a complete circuit. An electrical circuit is the path in which electricity flows. So it must be complete and closed without any gaps. Let's try again. Each component needs to be connected from both sides. To fix our circuit, we need to connect the light bulb back to the battery, and now the light is on. As you can see, electrons are flowing in this circuit, causing the light to work. But when we turn the switch off, we create a gap in the circuit and the electricity stops flowing. Try this amazing game. Visit the link in the description. Guess what happens if you add more light bulbs to one battery? Or if you have many batteries and just one light bulb? That's it for today. Before you leave, don't forget to watch all Pandabood videos. Subscribe and wait for more. Pandabood.